I'm Josette Gonzaga from the Fish Health section. Case processing is important in fish health management training course because it is where the trainees apply what they learned in the lecture and practical sessions. The session is a simulation of hypothetical level 2 disease diagnosis that they can do when they get back to their respective work area.
The misuse of antibiotics in aquaculture can accelerate the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, making future disease outbreaks harder and more expensive to control. So, over-reliance on antibiotics may also disrupt the natural microbial balance in aquatic systems, so weakening the overall health and immunity of cultured species. So therefore, the responsible antibiotic use and stronger preventive health management strategies are critical for the future of the aquaculture industry.
I am Jermaine Lamzon Moquera, assigned at Fish Health section. Bacteria are ubiquitous in nature, so meaning they could be found everywhere. Through bacterial monitoring, it can routinely track the bacterial levels in fish or in water. It can serve as an early warning system in aquaculture. So by early pathogen detection, farmers can intervene through better water management and reduce antibiotic use. So ultimately, this routine activity protects your stock, so maximize your profitability and ensures sustainable operations.
I'm Heidi Rose Paciente from the Fish Health section. So histopathology is used to aid aquaculture disease diagnosis by providing a visual baseline to compare normal and healthy tissue structures against those damaged by pathogens or toxins. This microscopic examination identifies the root cause of abnormal mortalities, visualizes infectious agents, and uncovers chronic environmental stressors, which enables early intervention and targeted treatment that could prevent mass mortalities and massive economic losses in the aquaculture industry.
Hello everyone, I am Crystal Ann P. Salazar, an aquaculturist one from DAB FAR National Brackish Water Fisheries Technology Center from Quezon, Philippines.
Mabuhay! Jublip Suwa!
My name is Rut Suklim, an officer of Department of Aquaculture Development of General Directorate of Fisheries of Cambodia.
Hello everyone, I'm Raya Shanin B. Esquilio, Technical Officer 1 from Alson's Agribusiness Unit, Mindanao, Philippines. So far, I've learned how to properly diagnose both clinical signs of finfish and shrimp, allowing for more precise health management in the farm. Additionally, I have gained much more understanding now on the laboratory workflows, on how diagnostic tests are processed and how these tests are generated. Also, it has given me confidence now to interpret such laboratory reports and laboratory tests to apply this to the farm management.
The program is provided me with valuable knowledge and practical skill in disease management. This course is highly important for enhancing and strengthening my capacity to diagnose aquatic animal disease according with standard guideline and procedure.
This 15 days training has equipped me with skills and knowledge that I can use to ensure that our center's technology verification yield optimum results. I now know exactly what health signs to look out for, what and how to identify pathogens early, and how to utilize laboratory procedures to confirm diagnosis. This allows me to recommend the right solution to our stakeholders before they try to adopt the technology. The biggest takeaway for me is that it is better to be proactive rather than reactive, because it is better to prevent the occurrence of disease rather than trying to cure it.
I would like to fully express my gratitude to the SEAFDEC AQD for giving me the opportunity to participate in this valuable training program, which is essential for enhancing professional capacity in fish disease management. Moreover, the knowledge gained from this program can also contribute to policymakers and relevant authority in developing activity, disease management strategy, improving planning system, and promote good biosecurity measures for sustainable aquaculture development. Thank you.
I would like to thank all the lecturers here at SEAFDEC for their constant support and guiding us throughout the entire course. Also, I would like to thank my fellow trainees, the staff at the cafeteria, apartment, drivers, photographers, security guards, drivers, all of the staff here for making our stay here at Iloilo comfortable and memorable. Thank you so much, SEAFDEC. I will miss you all, guys.
To SEAFDEC, AQD, and all the brilliant lecturers, thank you very much for sharing your expertise, passion, and patience with us. Thank you also for all the wonderful staff that worked behind the scenes that made our stay here comfortable. Finally, a very special mention to JICA for sponsoring me under the JTF TFG to attend this course. Again, thank you very much.